Real quick here, I just want to make a video on this Hoover Runabout. This was at my grandpa's work for the longest time, and then he sold the business and we were moving all the stuff out, and I found this. Never seen it before, so I took it here to my work and we cleaned it up. It's all good to go. So we're gonna get rid of this, but yeah, I figured I'd just do a little video on it. I put my last good Elite motor in there, so it has a brand new motor, no headlight though. I believe it's a 6-amp motor. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. It's just got some scratches here. And new roller too. As you can see, it's aftermarket, but it's better than having a 30-year-old one in there. So this comes up as a turquoise on camera, but in person it's almost kind of green, just from years and years. Oh yeah, I should probably get the tag for all of you people dying to know. 94, March of 94. So, okay, let's turn it on. Take it to a run, pick up the run. That one's taped down over there. Wow, that cleans better than that Dyson I use. We have a Dyson vacuum in the back that we use to clean the floor, and it is a piece of shit. So yeah, that's my Hoover Runabout for you. Pretty sure this is the original plug too. So yeah, that's pretty sweet.